Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see, guys, here, the daily candle, it's finished here. As you see it, that green candle here. So that's something good, guys. But as I tell it to you, also we are going to finish all the week here sideways. And that's what it looks to you. If you be focused with me here, in that place here, what you seeing all the week we been one day red, one day green. Look at it from here. Start from that place here, from that candle here to that one here. All the week we stay sideways here. There is nothing new, guys, here. That's what me have been telling you all that long, guys. And now here the Bitcoin, guys, it gave us here a flag like this, as you see it. So till now it has a breaking up. Until now it has a breaking down. Also we still sideways, and also we still waiting that inside bar, that one. Either we are going to break it up or no. And I'm going to analyze for you all the whole week, the next week, guys, what the options they are saying, what professional people they're looking at the market. So make sure to watch all that video, guys, from the start till the end. So here, guys, also we still waiting. Either we are going to break up or either we are going to break down. So we need to wait in a little bit. I think picture is too clear, guys. By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, every day we put in for you 2 videos. One after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the market is doing. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it, a bell, turn it on. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So guys, here in the daily there is nothing new. Also we stay in here sideways. Now let's go into see the coming news for tomorrow, guys, for picture to be more clear to you. Here it is, the coming news for tomorrow, guys. We don't got something special, only that one, that PPI of USA, and that one is not something will affect the market too much. And our table, guys, as you see it, what it's saying here, as you see that table of us here, all US stocks they closing green. And I tell it to you in the last video when we analyzed for you the SP 500 and the Nasdaq and even the DXY, all of them they show in here the week is going to close green, guys. That's something very, very, very good, and that a good news. But our friend here is the VIX, guys. It's still above 20. That's mean the scarcity it's still too high in the market. Why? Because investors till now they still scared of a recession. And I'll show you why the 10 and the 2 years yield of USA they've fallen 83%. That's something very, very, very bad, guys. US economic it's headed to a recession, guys. So let's wait in what's going to happen here. And that here the VIX is showing that to us. Picture is too clear, guys. But the good news here, the US dollar it started falling, is 104. That's something good. But let's wait in the coming days what they are going to bring to us, guys. Now let me show you the options, guys. What the view, what the professional people they believe in Bitcoin. So let's go in there to see. Here we are, guys, that the options, and I'm going to show you something here very, very, very important, guys. That one, by the way, they're changing that color here. As you see it, the expiration date is it 16 of December 2022. That means all the next week will come in. Over here we're going to see, as you see it down here in that place, that the prices, I think you don't see it very well like that. Over here, those ones the prices, guys, as you see them. So now also here we're going to tell you what the view of professional people, what they believe in. As you see, all the options they are open here. By the way, let's just put in here at 16,500. As you see in here, guys, as you see here, the pots, that's when the people they believe in the Bitcoin, it will stay above that 16,500 is about 750 Bitcoin. And the calls, that's when people they want the Bitcoin to fall down and they believe in the Bitcoin is going to break that 16,500. It's not that much, it's only 516 Bitcoin. So the puts they are winning, guys, here. And even here the volume, that the pot volume, it's about 561 Bitcoin. They believe in the Bitcoin it will stay above 16,500, but that one is just analysis of them, guys. Then here the calls that my people they believe in the Bitcoin is going to break by the date of 16 of month 12 2022. It's not that much compared to the pots. And another one here, as you see it guys, that one is something very important here. As you see it, the people they believing in the Bitcoin is going to stay above 16k. As you see it, it's huge number here. The pots, they are 789 Bitcoin. The calls is only 79 Bitcoin. But here the volume is a very huge, as you see it, 232 Bitcoin. In the other side for the calls is only 6.3. By the way, if you want to learn how to trade options and those things, there is one course in my Udemy profile. It's going to teach you all those things. If you want to learn about the pots and the calls, how to trade Bitcoin options and those things, that course is there. Go and buy it. It's not expensive and it's going to teach you all those things. But here, that one I'm going to analyze it for you only once a week, guys. So as you see, if you going down here, for those people that believe in Bitcoin is going to fall down to 10k, maybe it will never come down, guys. As you see, here at 12k, only pots. Here at 13k, only pots. Here at 14k, only pots. 14k, 15k, only pots here. 15,500 is not that much, only pots, guys. So 16k and the pots, they still too much compared to the calls. And I tell it to you before, guys, the pots or the put, because I know some people, they will say they will not understand my English. I will tell it to you with French. Put, that meant P-U-T, like that. It meant the people they believe in the Bitcoin is going to go higher, guys, or the bulls. And the calls, it meant bears. Everything is too clear, guys. So we show you that one here. Till next week, I'm going to show it to you again. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's going back to the chart to see our indicators. What the same for pictures to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it came here to that zone. Because we're still waiting. We're waiting here to go up. And as I show you here in the options, for the next week, it doesn't show it will go too much, because in 18k, people, there's still a big number of people, they believe in the Bitcoin is going to fall down. But that just maybe they will lose like last time, how it happened in 20k. So let's waiting what's going to happen, guys. Also here we said, when it's going to touch here, we're going to sell what we buy from here. And what we buy from here, I'm talking here about the daily, to free our capital. We will not sell everything, guys. We'll sell, what can we say, what it equal our investment. If you want to learn that money management strategy, is it in our investment Bitcoin course? Is it down in the first comment? If you're using the link down, it will not cost you that much. It's only 13 bucks. And you're going to learn the trading strategy I'm showing you here. If it came here, guys, we'll sell what we buy from here and what we buy from here. And in that place, we will sell it, then we will live with the profit. And the profit, it's risk-free. If it fall down, our capital is going to be free to buy more. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now it's going to the 4 hours to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, guys, the Bitcoin done something stranger today. Let's make it like that. Also, we've been waiting the break to happen here. That's the difference, guys. That's the difference between us and others. Bitcoin it came here. All the indicators they showing is it at the overbought. But also, we told you, if it doesn't break in the price action here, there is no entry yet. And that's what it done, guys. Look at it here, what happened. It came down here to the trend line, and now it's showing it's breaking the 200 moving average, guys, here as you see it. So now, did we got any price action here? Yes, you got that flag as you see it, guys. Now you got here a flag, and that flag, is it like that, guys? If that one came tomorrow a candle and break above here that level, you can enter long, but you need another candle to break here, guys, to start it here and to close above that level, that you can enter long, and you bring that line here, that one, and you put it like that. So like that, you're going to know where is exactly the target. But till now, you need to wait. I think the picture is too clear, guys. And here, where you are, you got a very stronger supply and demand zone as you see it, guys. Before from here, we fall down. And here it's showing doji or an indecision candle. So if it came here, a red candle like that here next to it here, that one is going to fall down more, guys. But it will not fall that much. It will fall down just till here, guys, because all the week we'll be in here sideways. And even we will close it like that sideways. So if it came here, a candle like that red, no, the Bitcoin is going to fall down. And I'll show you all those things before. People, they've been with us, I've been explaining all those things to you. Look at it here. You see a green candle. It came next to it that red candle. So that one is the hangman. If it came here, a red candle like that next to it here, is going to give you a morning star. That one is going to indicate in the market is going to reverse like how it's happened here. If you see it here in that place here, see that green candle. It came here, the candle like that. Next to it a red, then the Bitcoin it fall down till here. Same thing if it came here, the same thing. No, the Bitcoin is going to fall down, but that one is not for swing trading, guys. It's just for scalping. For swing trading, there is no swing trading signal here. The only swing trading signal is the one. Look with me here. So I show it to you that you got here a flag now, and you need to wait in a candle to come and to break here. It meant to open down here and to close above that level. That is going to indicate in the market is going to go higher, but there, it will not go that much, guys. If it will go just till here, till the peak here of the one, till 18k, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys. By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend? I know you don't. Pause the video now, go smash the like button, writing down a comment helping us, guys. You know that how it helps you can growing up. So please support us. You done it? You done it or no? You done it. Thank you very, very much, my friend. I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what they say for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, as you see it, when it touch here, it go back upward till here. And here in that level, if you remember, that one is the divergence will push down. So it might will touch it here. Then after that, it will fall down here. Or another scenario, it might from here, it will come upwards and breaking for us that level. So till now, we need to wait in, guys. People, they being with us, we show you here, we got a divergence as you see it. Let me show it to you in the chart for the picture to be more clear to you guys. As you see here, guys, in the chart, here and here in that place here, we got here a divergence, and that one will push the Bitcoin down till here. So now, guys, we will bring in here a line like that, and we will wait in that one to touch it here. And another one, we still have here that hidden divergence. That one, if you remember it, let me show it to you in the chart for the picture to be more clear to you guys. The hidden divergence, guys, look at it. Look at that peak here of that candle here. That one, you bring it like that till here, and over here in the chart, you came from that place here till that one. You see it or no? You got here a hidden divergence, guys, and that one I'll show you how to trade it. You need to wait in that the market to come to break that last high here, and that's going to be the same of the top of that flag I show you. So till now there is nothing new, guys. But the good news here, also we still here, whereas the bulls, the controlling guys, the market doesn't want to stay long in the place, whereas the bears, that's something very, very good. But the bad news here about that indicator, guys, look at it. It still give you here, we're still giving you here a lower low, guys. Let me show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you. Look at it here, look here, and look now. It give you here a lower low, guys, because look at that one at that low here. That one is lower than it, and look at that high here, and that one here, and that one here. So here in the momentum, guys, you are in a downtrend. The market is falling down, but in the chart it shows something different. So let's wait in the coming days, guys, what they are going to bring for us. Now let's go into see our other indicator, guys, what the same for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, as you see it, we're being here at the overbought area. And I tell it to you, I told you that one is just an oscillator. You don't need to base your trading about it. And that's the power of our analysis, guys. Also, we tell you the price action we got is that up channel we got here, as you see it. And we tell you if it doesn't break down, there is no entry. I told you before, it might from here, we are going to go higher till here. And that's what it's showing, guys. It's showing us we are going higher here. So now us, what should we do, guys? As I show you here, you got that flag here, that one. If a candle came and closing above that level, enter long, take profit where it need to be. You bring in that line here and you put it here. So the Bitcoin it will go up till here, guys, till that last high here, that one. That just analyzes, guys. But if it's breaking here, that's what it's going to do. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity for tomorrow. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. People they been with us, where us we enter long. We enter because we used to have here a channel. Yes or no? The first entry we entered from here and we put stop loss down here in that place. It's being hitted. Second entry we enter from here and we put stop loss down here. Just the last two videos, guys, that the past one and the one before in that one, you found the entry it was from here. And look where we came till here. The last video over here, I told you protect yourself. And look now what the market done. You came upward till here, guys. Now what should you do? Let's see our indicators, what they say for picture to be marked. Let you guys. That one here, is it here at the overbought area? So now us, we need to look in just for short opportunity, guys. Did we got any price action here? No, guys, we don't got any price action here, indicating for us the market is need to reverse. Unless if there is any price action coming in the coming days or the coming hours, you wait in here and you make a close eye at that level where you are. If there is any price action, you're looking for short opportunity. Now there is nothing. And let me show you something else here in 30 minutes. That one here, guys, look with me here. Look at that peak here with that one. See, that one is too high here. And that one here is low. And look at that peak here with that one here. What you seeing, guys? You just make it by your eyes. Look here and that one here. Just try to make it like that. And that one like that. You see a divergence there, guys? Yes or no? I just try to draw it like that for you to understand what I'm talking about. You see a very, very, very clear divergence there, guys. Oh, that one, you need now a price action here, indicating for you the market is going to reverse. And that's what I told you. I show you the market all the week is going to stay here sideways in that place here and that one here. So now you wait in here a price action. It's need the market to stay here sideways to give you here a price action. Then you enter short, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.